Hey guys, my name is Hui. I'm from Australia. So I came to Summit Guest House because of all the positive reviews on TripAdvisor. I wanted to see it for myself, and when I came in, I was just greeted with like the best smiles from Summit and all his staff. It was very nice. They were all very kind to me, and the facilities are very nice as well. Anything you can ever want. So I had spent one night and one day at Varanasi. So during the night time, I went on a sunset boat tour with Wiki, my guide, and the boat tour of the Varanasi Ganges River was just phenomenal. It was one of the best experiences of my life because Wiki just told me everything about all the ghats and all the ceremonies and stuff. So it was very informative, just the most surreal experience. And he showed me all the best places, the best views on the boat and on the river as well. And it was just one of the best experiences of my life. So definitely recommend it to everyone as well. Yeah, and then the next morning we went on a spiritual tour, um, looking at all the temples and stuff. Once again, Wiking was just the most informative guide ever, and I learned so much about the Hindu religion and all the gods and stuff, and saw all the Hindu people just celebrating their religion. And it was just so amazing to me to see all the different cultures celebrating their own religion. It was just very eye-opening. Definitely puts my own life into a good perspective and stuff like that. And yeah, definitely recommend the spiritual tour and the boat tour, the sunset, and definitely try out the food that the hostel provides as well. It's called Bowl of Compassion. So a lot of the proceeds go to the kids. So what they do is they run education programs for kids for free. So they help the kids, educate them. The ones who can't afford to go to school and stuff like that, it's for free. So that's always very nice seeing the kids learn and stuff. So I give a bit of money to that as well, which is just to help the kids out a bit. So yeah, if you go here, you help out the kids and you get a very life experience as well. So yeah, definitely recommend it, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.